Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, we're going to start cutting and trimming the engine cowling in order to get it ready to install. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. Okay, we have to trim the molded pieces out of the cowling for the air intake and the prop hub. So I'm going to start a round hole. All right. Okay, we need to cut about a 2-inch strip out of the bottom cowling in order for it to fit over the nose gear. So we'll start, we don't want a sharp corner, so we're going to go ahead and drill a hole to have a round corner in the transition. So there we have it. I've made good progress towards getting the engine cowling ready to install. I'll be doing part 2 very soon. So let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.